This is the first 1016 wide-body Cullinan in the world. Really excited to show you guys this. This is a long time in the making. This is a 2025 Rolls-Royce Cullinan, and this is a black badge. It's not your standard regular Cullinan. We've been excited to do work on these things for a minute now. 1016 Industries has been designing and producing this kit, which had a lot of setbacks because we wanted to get it right. And we finally have it finished. This is one of three that is basically getting done. We have two more at the shop that we're doing with the same kit. It's really nice that you could see black badge carbon fiber on the body kit. You don't see that often. You see regular carbon, you see forged carbon. And honestly, the black badge carbon makes the most sense on a Rolls-Royce. Because especially with a black badge, you get that same carbon fiber interior to match this exterior. So really cool there. We left the black badge chrome black grille in the front as is, because this really intensifies the front look of this car. But as you can see, that front bumper looks really nice from 1016. You can see it has like a fake vent there, here, and then you got this opening that's for air. Also with black badge carbon around that trim and on the lower lip that comes off. You also have black badge carbon trim in the middle where the radar goes. Pretty cool. There's also going to be an option where this comes off and you can put 3 LED lights. They're going to be like slits, so 3 of them. This one doesn't have it. We don't have the LEDs yet. They're working on those, but that's coming. Flares are the flares. They're actually pretty much the same design as the previous Cullinan. So you got that really nice bubble wide body shape to it. Looks really nice on it. You got the side skirts that protrude out and have black badge carbon also underneath that. So it goes with all of this. There's also a fender trim that's being developed by 1016 that goes pretty much like right here. That's not on this car yet. But since we're here, let's talk about these crazy wheels. These are 26-inch, 3-piece RDB signature wheels, and they're massive. They look incredible. They're concave, and like I said, they're 3-piece 26s. You don't see that often. Check out that back wheel, super concave, really sick for a Cullinan, honestly. Let's pan to the back over here, and here we have the really nice rear end of this car. You got the black badge tail on the trunk, of course. Nothing here, we kept it clean, but then we got this rear bumper that has black badge carbon all over it. Actually, this entire rear bumper was black badge carbon, and we painted it and left the middle over there. So exhaust tips are new as well, not too much different in shape, but looks good. Yeah, we're very excited to do this 2025 Cullinans. Mansory did a few of them, and that kit is very expensive. You're paying almost 300K for a Mansory build on a Cullinan, which we do, obviously, if you want to spend that. But for a fraction of that price, you can get this 1016 wide body kit, and we get them locally. So you don't have to worry with the 2-3 month wait, all that stuff. So we can get them fast, install them fast, and you could have a really nice wide body Cullinan you're rocking. So I hope you guys like it. I think this was a badass one.
Do your thing. You have a lot to go. I love you. Go do your thing. Don't worry about it. I might be old, but I ain't crippled. But yeah, I am bald. Oh, it's not that bad. They're light. Okay. All right. One. Oh, we need a new wheel. It's not going over, it's going to New York or something. Oregon or some shit. I don't know where, but they're going somewhere. We're shipping these out. I gotta mount the tire. Get everything ready. It's a bad language for him. Okay, we have to. Yeah. So let me cut this one. I have to do some changes. Changes, as it says.
Changes.
We have to do some changes on this to make a rear bumper fit. Without those things, doesn't gonna work. Okay.
Best channel.
Okay.
Because best.
Oh, got it.
We're surrounded by body kits. We got a 1016 URUS Performante body kit right there, wide body. We have another G63 WideStar body kit. Look how many parts that kit has, and this is not even all of them. So, but let's go in the booth. There's something cool. Open the eyes of my heart.
Yeah.
You like that song?
Yeah, I like it.
Does that mean like your heart could see people, or what does that mean?
Yeah.
Performante GT right here. You guys recall, this is Mondi's Performante GT that we stripped entirely. We painted the body. The only thing left to paint was that pillar. And mind you, this is the first time this car came inside the booth. All the parts were painted off of the car. This is the only thing that we cannot remove off the car to paint. Also, everything is done the right way. You can see the windshield is not on the car anymore. People won't do that. It's gonna cost too much, but for this car in particular, we actually got a new windshield from Porsche, brand new. So we're gonna be installing that after the paint and all that stuff is done. So we're prepping that right now. We painted that really crazy green color, and then we're gonna slowly put this car back together. It's gonna be really, really crazy when we're done. So stay tuned on that one.
So we have this beautiful matte silver. This is for that M5 over there that we are going to continue the project on. So we have an M5. That M5 has to come down, and we need to start to wrap that M5. Have a nice day. This is matte silver. So that car has a silver, like a shiny gloss silver thing on it, paint on it. But we're gonna make it nice. So after it's all done, it'll be really cool. And we're waiting for the wheels. We're doing RDB wheels that have a similar design of BBS. So we're gonna do something different. It's gonna be a special M5. Mechanical's all done. Everything's done on that car. Now we'll move on to the fun stuff, basically.
He's always in a car.
He's always.
It's a nice car though.
Keep it to the left.
He's not winning. He's not leaving. Look.
Oh, buddy.
Because let's just go off for like $10 each. You'll give it.
No, 30's a minimum.
Hey, who's worse, him or the girl that comes by? Give me a car.
Give me a car's better because she leaves. This one stays.
Like,
It's my car. One time I told her we were washing it.
That's the best I can do, man.
How much?
30.
for one?
Last time we keep it 20.
Yeah, this guy's giving.
What's the latest?
Last time we keep it 20.
You did? Okay. I have a good deal. I have a very good deal. You cannot refuse. Two for 30.
No, I can't.
25. That's a good deal.
What happened to your hair color?
I changed
It's
it.
changed. What?
I changed it. Different color. Hey,
2 for 30. It's perfect. Okay, 2 for 28.
28.
All right, we have an older Lexus ES 330. Fuck. What is this? Yeah, 330. All right, so we have a Lexus ES 330 here. This is a very, very nice running car, actually. These cars run forever. They're known for it. Sometimes they need a little love. So a customer came in stating that there's a power steering leak. We had just did the power steering repair on this car. So, you know, sometimes it happens. Things go wrong. But we checked it, and it's not a power steering leak. It seems like it is because this is what's happening. Let's show you guys. All right. So, you guys see this huge leak here, okay? Big, big leak. This is coming from the axle, okay? Axle is bad already. What it's doing is it's just shooting all the fluids all over the place, and it's getting all over the power steering pump, and it seems like it's coming from the pump. So that's what's happening right now. And awesome. Actually, customer just showed up.
Hey.
Client's here too. So yeah, we're gonna go over it. We're gonna show it to him so he knows, he understands, and we're gonna have to fix it.